Diamonds, oh my word, it has been forever since I've done a video. I'm so sorry, but today I am going to be doing 2 in a row hashtag easy videos. I've missed you guys so much, so please like, subscribe, and watch my videos to be a part of the Diamond Cave. And also hit that hashtag notification bell to be a part of the hashtag notified Diamond Cave. So let's get right on to the hashtag easy video. Let's go. What you'll need for this awesome creamy no glue slime that's a bit like a dough: a bowl and spoon, some cornstarch, as well as some conditioner. Glitter and food coloring is optional, but why not add it? 'Cause it's so amazing. So now let's put it all together and make some awesome hashtag easy no glue creamy slime that's more like a dough. First, get out your bowl, then add a bit of cornstarch. You want quite a little bit. Now, cornstarch, add it just a bit in. Oh my gosh, I repeated myself, so sorry. Now, as you can see, I didn't add too much, but just enough. A lot of things have been changing. This is my temporary slime station. Just so you diamonds know, I'm gonna be moving to a different slime station after my old 2 slime stations. I've had a lot of them, but I'm going to be coming into one that will not be temporary, but it will be forever. So now you're just going to be wanting to add in a tiny bit. Okay, that was not a tiny bit of your shampoo. Mix it together. It should currently have a very dry texture with little bits of chunky, slimy, doughy bits in it. That means you're going to be wanting to add just a bit more, conditioner, not shampoo, so sorry. Mix that shampoo in. Now, diamonds, it is the part you have all been dreading, at least I have. Now is the time where you want to get your hands all messy in there and just keep going back and forth between cornstarch and conditioner. Add more cornstarch if it's too wet. Add more conditioner if it is too dry. Before you get your hands dirty, you're going to want to add your ingredients, mix it together, and then go in with your hands. I'm just adding a bit more cornstarch because it's a bit too wet. P.S. This recipe is similar to flubber. However, I would not recommend washing your hands in this because it's just a bit too messy to rub your hands in because it gets everywhere. So once your slime has gotten really sticky, but it's still not that sticky, but it's pretty sticky, if you know what I mean, which you probably don't, you're just going to want to add some cornstarch and mix it with your hands, and this is going to feel so nice. I promise this is one of the nicest textures ever. Okay guys, so I actually just went on a walk with this, just playing with it, just having such peaceful time with it, and it is such a nice, soft, creamy thing. It feels a mixture between slime, Play-Doh, and oobleck. It's really unusual, but very, very nice to play with. If I could pick a slime that is the most like, I'd say butter slime. So then you just want to get this mixed with all of the little pieces in the bowl, and then yeah. So this is what happens when you add too much cornstarch. It just gets a bit tough to pull. So I recommend either going in with some more conditioner or nothing. So I don't know. Welcome back. In the meantime, I have ran into the kitchen, slammed the door, drank a cold glass of iced tea, screamed into a pillow, ran around my house, and then came back with this slime still sitting here. So just a little update on my life for y'all. Then I'm just going to add a couple of drips of this conditioner. You don't want too much. P.S. I got all of this conditioner at the dollar store, and it's really, really good. It works very well. It is a very nice conditioner for slime making purposes. And I think it might work good for your hair. I'm not sure. It's from the dollar store, so I'm not sure. But here is the slime. It got a bit sticky because we have just added the conditioner. So now I'm going to add just the tiniest bit more cornstarch. What I'm going to do to get that is just to get it off the table. Mix that in. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm so sorry to interrupt the video, but the reason this is sticking to my tablecloth is because this is not even like a real thing. This is just a tablecloth that happens to not stick to slime too badly, which is why I'm using it for the temporary slime room. But don't worry, this does not stick to your cabinets. I mean, or things like that you would be making the slime on.